Brake pads are one of the most common topics customers ask about, and usually for one of two reasons. Maybe they're trying to understand the recommendation.
So why do you recommend this brake pad?
Or maybe they're comparing prices.
And why is the price different for this brake pad compared to other brake pads?
Let's talk about how to answer those questions the right way next. One of the biggest misconceptions customers have is that all brake pads are the same. In reality, nearly every vehicle uses a uniquely shaped pad designed for that specific brake system. Beyond shape, the friction material itself is engineered to meet the vehicle's weight, performance capability, and braking demands. That engineering is a major reason some pads cost more than others. Quality brake pads require extensive research, development, and testing. Manufacturers don't just design a pad on paper. They test it in simulations and on vehicles, then verify consistency through quality control, including destructive testing. That process adds cost, but it also adds reliability. Another misconception is that replacement brake pads simply copy the original. Manufacturers don't hand over friction formulas, and many original materials or processes can't be duplicated or may be patent protected. In fact, aftermarket pads can improve over time because manufacturers can learn from real-world performance and refine formulations as vehicles age. Customers may also assume brake pads are regulated. In the US, there are no federal performance standards for replacement brake pads. That means pad quality depends entirely on the manufacturer and the shop selecting them. Some low-cost pads perform fine in normal driving, but may struggle during panic stops or extreme conditions due to limited testing or cheaper materials. Hardware matters too. Not every box of pads includes clips, shims, or wear sensors. Missing hardware can lead to noise, uneven wear, and comebacks. Replacing hardware and starting with a proper rotor surface often has more impact on pad life than the friction material alone. When customers ask where to get the best information, the answer is simple: your shop. Technicians and service advisors see brake systems every single day. That experience is why shops like yours won't gamble on brake components. Brake pad questions don't have to be an objection. They should be opportunities to explain value, safety, and why the right parts matter. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.